Hi there, I want to look at some of the Liquify tools today. If you go to Filter, Liquify, you get this big dialog opens up. The default Liquify tools, excuse me, we've looked at before, and they consist of the forward warp tool, which allows you to, depending on the size of your brush, pull elements of the image about. It's like getting your finger on the screen and smearing it about. We've also got the Twill clockwise tool, which just adjusts the size of the brush using the square brackets, which does all this kind of stuff. Pucker tool, which is like I suppose like sucking on a lemon. Yeah, which is that kind of thing. You've got the bloat tool, which depending on the size of your brush, I'm using these quite in a dramatic way. And we've also got the reconstruct tool up at the top, which will brush things and allow you to kind of restore things to your starting point if you've gone too crazy. Really, a lot of these tools are meant for kind of subtle use. So if you just want to make slight adjustments to an image, you could just do a slight tweak. And as such, they're very, very good. Let's go back to the reconstruct tool again and put it back to our starting point. Within the last couple of years, we've got some more options available to us. Most convenient is the face aware Liquify button up here, which hopefully, depending on your picture, if it's got a face, if Photoshop can recognize it as a face, gives you the option to adjust specific elements. So we've got mouth, smile, so you can kind of dial in a bit of a smile there. You can adjust the upper lip, up and down, lower lip, same kind of thing. No, mouth width. And again, really you're supposed to use them subtly for just little things, but you can also have some fun with them as well. Face shape, forehead. It's actually doing some kind of 3D modeling stuff here. It's kind of converted the entire thing into a mesh, and we're just moving the polygons around. In fact, show mesh will turn those polygons on so you can actually see what you're doing. And it's like most things, you don't need to know how it works as long as you can actually work it. Face width. And it's doing some quite clever stuff. Eye size we've got, so we can. Oh, look at that! We can normalize his eyes, because he's normally got one big pupil and one small pupil. Eye height, eye width. You get the idea. Now, if you've got an image with a couple of people on, it's possible it's detected both of them. As I said, I've just got a single one here. What else have we got worth looking? Thaw mask, freeze mask. I think we can mask out areas like that, and then if we're let's get the forward warp tool and make it really big so we can see what we're doing. Can you see it's just holding that piece still? And then you can get rid of that piece, so it lets you kind of lock a piece in place. Have a play, put up your results. I want to see them, and click OK once you're happy with your changes. Thank you for watching.